keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours, and today we're going to be taking a trip from Halfway Tree all the way up into Papine Square, and we'll be driving on Hope Road. Now, this is one of Kingston's most iconic routes because we're going to see Devon House, the Bob Marley Museum, King's House, and we're ending right in the middle of Papine. So if you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. To our right, we just passed the Andrews High School, and to our right as well, we're also passing the Winchester Business Center. So at the stoplight, if you took the left turn, you'll be heading onto Surbiton, and if you took the right turn, you'll be heading onto Winchester Road. Now, did you know that Hope Road was once called Hope Highway? Yes, it was the road leading all the way up into the Hope Estate, which is now called Hope Gardens, which was once a sugar plantation. So to our left hand side is Krispy Kreme and Popeyes, and then to our right is the YMCA. Has anybody ever been to YMCA? That's where a lot of youths learn how to swim. It's a big swimming pool there, or two big swimming pool there. If you've been there, let us know in the comments below. So we're now at the intersection of Trafalgar Road, Waterloo, and Hope Road. So we're going to be continuing straight up Hope Road, and we'll be passing now Devon House. It's a beautiful piece of Jamaican history. It was built in 1881 by the first black billionaire. It's known for Devon House ice cream. Tell me whether or not you prefer rum and raisin or grape nut. It's a national treat here in Jamaica. So directly in front of us, we can see the newly open boat building. It's a BPO, or a call center, which is owned by our famous track star, Usain Bolt. Directly in front of the Andrews Memorial Hospital. So have you ever been there before? You can let us know about your experience there. So as we go up Hope Road, you're going to see a lot of new buildings that have been built in recent times. We're going to be passing a new building here to our right hand side, which is right in front of the King's House. And the King's House is, for those who do not know, it's where the Governor General lived. That's the Governor General of Jamaica. And also, I think either next door or on the same property is the Jamaica House. So the entrance to King's House is right here to your left hand side here. So there is this building here. I think it's going to be a office building. It's located to our right hand side here. Not sure what the name is and what's going to be there, but a lot of building has been built here on Hope Road. So as we continue straight ahead, to our right hand side is Fridays, and that's a popular spot in the United States of America. We only have one location here in Jamaica. It's located right here. We pass the intersection of Lady Musgrave Road, and we're going to be continuing up Hope Road as we head towards Papine. So coming up next on our landmark locations is 56 Hope Road, and that is the one and only Bob Marley Museum. It was Bob Marley's base in the 70s, where he lived, worked, and was even shot in 1976. And as we know, if we watch the recent movie, You can see what took place there. This building directly in front of us is a new building again. As I mentioned, there's a lot of new buildings here on Hope Road. I'm not sure what it's or what it's going to be there. If it's a business center, which multiple businesses are going to be there, or it's just one company. But again, once it's open, I'll let you guys know. So to our right used to be Blue Cross. For those who remember Blue Cross, no, it's Sagicor, one of their offices right there. As we continue up, we're getting closer to a school that's probably known by most Uptown persons, and that's Campion College, as we get closer into the Liguanea area. Now, a lot of apartments and homes are located in this area. To live in this area, Hope Road, you have to spend big bucks. Homes, apartments, a 2-bedroom apartments probably over $2,000 a month. That's a rental property. To our left, again, another new building. It's located right here. As you can see, they're doing open house for you to go in if you're interested in acquiring a space at that location. So Campion College is to our right hand side here. If you used to go to Campion, can tell me about your experience there. To our left is 100, and then this is the new JCMB building, which is located right here in Liguanea. To our left is the Sovereign Center, and to our right is the Liguanea Mall. I think that's the name of it. That's where the post office is. Ashley Home Furniture is right there to our right hand side, as well as the gas station right here in the Papine Square. This intersection here that goes on to Old Road as well as to Barbican. Sovereign Center or Sovereign Mall also has a theater. There's 2 theaters in Kingston. One is located there and the other one in Crossroad. So as we continue straight, we pass Lane Plaza, and then to our right hand side, Liguanea Plaza. All the banks are located on our left hand side, so we pass Sagicor, there is CBIC, as well as Scotiabank and NCB. As we continue up, to our right hand side is the US Embassy. It's empty because this trip was done on a Sunday. Normally this place would be packed because persons trying to get their visa. This building was recently built to our right hand side here. To be honest, I don't know what's going to be there, but as you can see, it's recently built, still being built, and has a very modern if you take this right hand side, you can go around to Mona, and that will take us into the University of the West Indies. We're going to continue straight here. We're going to be passing 2 very popular spots. To our right hand side is KFC, and did you know that this is the first KFC that was ever built in Jamaica, the one on Old Road? To our right is the Chinese Bolivian Center, and then to our left is the famous Jamaica College. Yes, Jamaica College. True Blue. Did you know that back in the 18s, 80s, this area was once a part of the Hope Estate? Yes, it was one of Kingston's or Jamaica's most largest sugar plantation. To our right is Mona, and then to our left hand side, we're going to be entering into or going to be seeing one of the entrance to Hope Gardens, which was once known as Hope Estate. So the main entrance to Hope Gardens is right here to our left hand side. And Hope Gardens is a nice place to go and enjoy yourself, guys. It's very beautiful. They do to take very good care of it. To our left hand side is UTech. If you are a UTech past student, tell me what you did there and how did you enjoy your studies there. To our right, you can take that road in going to the University Hospital. And also, you can go that side to the University of the West Indies. So this is now Papine Square, guys. Tell me if you've seen any changes or does it still look the same? I'm not sure what is new here because I don't normally stay in this area, normally in the half tree areas. Um, I do see some changes, a lot of buildings that are being renovated, as well as still busy as always, still packed. But this is the end, guy, of our tour. Tell me if you enjoyed it. Tell me where else you wanted to see, and if there's anything that stood out to you. Thanks again for watching. If you have stayed to the end, and hope you guys enjoyed. See you again on another Let's Go JA Tours.